You know the two best food of Vietnam is Phở and Bún chả. And today I will show you how to make the Phở and Bún chả together. It's a great combination. Let's see. It's too hot in here. I don't know how she can stack on very nice this. Hello everyone, I'm back to Hanoi and today I will try to make Phở chả, the combination of Phở and Bún chả. Normally, Phở is always the family secret. I will try to make the Phở closest to family secret recipe. In my recipe, here I have cow bone, beef, of course, Phở, onion, dry onions, some ginger, cinnamon, star anise, cardamom. I boil some water to clean the bone. The water already boiled, so I can add the bone in. I shove the bone in the hot water, just clean the bone. And also it will make the bad smell of the bone gone. And after, I will clean again with some water. In the experience, you need to burn the bone to get the best taste. Normally, in the Phở restaurant, they have to stew the bone about 10 hours. As you can see, I use the pressure pot and I just need to stew for maybe 2 hours. And it will be same effect. For cinnamon and Thêm, we need to roast it. I will use the baby napkin and put the roasted thing. For this herb, to go to the soup broth, you need to cover the napkin like this. I will hit the sticks on the onion. And now I can put this on the fire to green it. After 2 hours, I need to open this pot. Then put your food right into the When you put this thing, try to put it in the bottom, so the bottom will get all the fat of this. And now you don't have to put the lid on for 1 more hour. I cut Phở to small piece. First I grab like this. And you can customize this. Just half centimeters each. For one person, we can use about 200 grams of Phở. For spring onions, I will cut in 2 parts. This part, you can cut small. And basil. And for the roots of spring onion, you can customize this. You can keep in low heat and take off the bubble. After 3 hours prepare is complete like this, and now I just need to add seasoning in this. I will add 1 spoon of fish sauce, 2 spoons of seasoning powder, and 1 spoon of sugar. You need to slice the beef very thin. We prepare 1 pot boiling water like this, and now we're soaking the noodle in that pot to make the noodle hot. Now add in the bowl. Next step, we add spring onion, the basil, and the buncha meat. And now for the beef, we do like this. Add some onions on the top. Some lamb and chili pepper is complete the pho. I complete the pho chả combination of bun chả and pho. Once Ramsey can cook, please watch my next video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel.